Hi guys, welcome to AS Tech YouTube channel.
In this video we are going to learn how to make all of your TikTok videos private at once. So this is easy and simple to do. First of all, we have to open our TikTok application. So let's click on it. After this you have to click on profile icon here. So let's click on it. So now you can see three dot option here. Click on it. Now you can see an option here, settings and privacy. Click on it. And here you can see different options here. So we have to scroll a bit down. You can see option here, activity center. Click on it. So now you can see different options here. You have to scroll a bit down, and then you can see an option here, manage post visibility. Click on it. So now you can see all of your videos here. You have to select all of your videos which you want to make private. You have to select all of your videos that you want to make private. So I have selected all of my videos. So after doing this you have to click on next. Now you can see an option here, update selected post, and then you can see an option here, only you. If you select on only you, then no one be able to see all of your videos. So let's click on it and then click on update. So in this way we can make all of our TikTok videos private at once. If this video helped you, please leave a thank you comment. See you guys in the next video.